Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to recover disappearing messages on Messenger. So if messages seem to have disappeared unexpectedly, you can check archive chat. So go to menu at the bottom right, then go to archive and look for the chat you're looking for. Once you see it, just swipe it and tap on unarchive and it will go back to your chat conversation. You can also check Messenger on another device or browser, then log in through Messenger on the web or another device, since sometimes messages fail to sync correctly in the app. Next, make sure Messenger is updated. So go to App Store or Play Store and search for Messenger. Then update Messenger in here and make sure you're using the latest version. Next, you can also download your Facebook data. So go to Facebook, then click your profile at the bottom right, then go to Settings and Privacy, then go to Settings, and at the top, go to Account Center, then go to Your Information and Permissions, then select Export Your Information. So choose the activity and tap on Create Export. Choose your profile, so you can export it to your device or to external service. Scroll down and tap Start Export. Then put in your password and it will start exporting. So if Facebook still has the messages stored, they may appear in the archive. Basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.